It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 20th of September. I'm James Spann. Last Tuesday of the summer. Fall begins on Thursday. We're looking for fall-like temperatures, but not this week. Let's go in there and check it out. There's the upper air look at 500 millibars this afternoon. Upper high west of the state. There is a low east of the state. That is the ghost of Julia, the former tropical storm, kind of hugging the North Carolina coast. We have a northerly flow aloft and a very dry air mass. Temperatures around 90 in most spots. Birmingham and Huntsville 90. But the dew points are down. The dew points are in the 50s in most spots, so it doesn't feel like the July-August kind of heat, but still it's fairly toasty for September. Temperatures about 5 to 8 degrees above average this afternoon, but some spots this morning saw upper 50s up in northeast Alabama. On the watch warning map, we got a flash flood watch for parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Iowa. Otherwise, things are quiet. Severe storms possible today from near Minneapolis, St. Paul over to Madison. Around here, of course, nothing happening. Same thing tomorrow. We are dry as could be. Marginal risk of severe weather well to the north. And on day 3, Thursday, no organized severe weather expected around the nation. Rain? Nope. Nothing for the next 5 days if this verifies. This is the QPF forecast from the WPC Weather Prediction Center, valid through Sunday morning. Pretty big numbers up north. But we check the tropics. 2 systems on the board. We have tropical storms Carl and Lisa in the Atlantic. And on the coast of North Carolina, again, that is the ghost of Julia. Still producing clouds and wind and rain there, but it's technically just a remnant low. Carl could become a hurricane by Friday, but that will be recurving. Looks like the recurve should be a little east of Bermuda. No threat to the United States. And Lisa will be gaining latitude, then ultimately weakening and dissipating over the weekend. And, of course, no threat to land. So let's check out model guidance. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Ridging here across the deep south, trough back in the Pacific Northwest. But for us, a dry air mass. The day should be sunny, and like today, the high very close to 90. Same thing Thursday, mostly sunny. The high around 90. And Friday, the weather just not changing very much. Lots of sun. The chance of rain so small, not worth mentioning, and the high will be around 90. Will the weather change over the weekend? Not really. This is Saturday, the GFS showing 91. Same thing Sunday, mostly sunny. Guidance coming in at 91. So basically what we have today, we should have every day through Sunday. No rain worries for football, high school or college this weekend. Monday, got a pretty good little front from Chicago down to Denver, a 1032 high behind that. But again, for us, we are still in dry air. And this is Tuesday, a week from today, the 27th. And obviously with a pattern like that, that's not going to drive a front through here in any significant fashion. But again, that might kick off a few scattered showers with a weak surface boundary around. We'll check the end of the forecast period. This is Friday of next week, the 30th. And we've still got a 588 ridge. I promise that thing will break down, but you have to be patient. We are down here in the deep south. Down below that again. Looks pretty dry. Highs in the 80s. Bottom line is we just don't see much chance of widespread rain for the rest of the month. Thought we'd check the numbers off the GFS. We lose the 90s after Sunday. European, same idea. Highs go back in the 80s and lows in the 60s to wrap up September and kick in October. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.